So we're now, the introduction has finished playing, and welcome to Truck Masters, where we find the truck master. So welcome to Melloy's Truck Master, where if you are looking for a truck, we offer Dodge, Ford, Chevrolet trucks, all at one location, easy to find. So that everybody in our audience knows, we've been running a total. Our Ford store is currently in the lead with 300 points. The Chevy store has 100 points, and our Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram store is in third place. I won't even tell you where they're at. No, they're at a minus 175, but today, each question is worth 100 points, so it's anybody's game. So we're going to start off with some easy questions, and we've got 3 contestants ready to go. Hit your buzzers when you want to answer the question. The first question is, in a recent study, what is the most important factor when a customer is buying a truck?
Safety.
No. Anybody else want to steal?
Monthly payment?
No.
Oh.
Somebody's buying a truck. You've got one last chance. Somebody's buying a truck. What is the most common?
Do I get to go again?
No. Effective. What are they looking for the most?
Towing capacity?
Towing capacity is the right answer. So the list is, what is the towing capacity on a truck? What is fuel efficiency is number 2. What's the bed size and configuration is number 3. Safety features is number 4. And what's the cost of maintenance and insurance is number 5. So those are the top 5 things that people look for when they're buying a truck. Okay, so when we talk about towing, are y'all just going to keep playing?
Yeah.
Is it just going to be y'all? Is that okay? No. Wait, because we're giving out money.
I get it, but yeah.
You want to switch?
We'll switch.
Okay, let's switch.
Redeem yourself.
That's the first question I get.
All right, is anybody else playing for Dodge? No? Anybody else playing for Ford?
No cheating.
No?
Well, give him another shot.
Okay. So, talking about towing capacity, which 2024 pickup truck has the most towing capacity?
Ford.
No.
Chevy.
No.
Dodge.
Technically, no, it'd be a Ram.
Technically, no. Dodge does not have trucks.
Whatever. Ram.
So, the 2024 Ram 3500 has a towing capacity of 37,090 pounds, depending on configuration. So, Ram's the answer. Okay. So, what are we doing with players? Anybody switching? Switching up? Switching up? We got Oscar's got one. Otis has one. Okay.
Ford has the biggest.
Okay. All right, and here we are in Truck Masters. I haven't even been on the camera, huh? So we've got right now, where are we at? We're Ford still in the lead.
We're right back pretty much where we started.
Okay. So somebody's got to ace these last questions. Let's do this one. So currently there are 2 electric pickup trucks on the market, right? Ford F-150 and a Silverado EV. And then there are others, but these are the 2 that are the best. So which electric pickup truck has the biggest frunk space?
Chevy.
No. I think that was you.
Lightning.
The Lightning does. It offers 14.1 cubic feet of cargo space with a payload capacity of 400 pounds in the frunk. And for everybody listening, a frunk is the front trunk on an electric truck. So you can store all your beer that you want there. Okay, so that was Ford. Okay. So that was, everybody, is anybody changing? Any other players? Players? So the second question, the second thing that people look for when they're buying a truck after towing capacity is what's the fuel efficiency like. So in 2024, which pickup truck has the best gas mileage?
The 3-liter diesel for the Chevy Silverado.
No,
That's
The power boost on the F-150.
no,
The 1500.
no. The 2024 Ford Maverick
Hybrid.
has a hybrid powertrain, which means
42 miles.
yeah,
That's a truck.
that's a truck.
Don't be talking about
Do I get a 20 for the right answer?
No. But yes, the Maverick has the best gas mileage. I don't know, was that tricky? That's not a
Yeah.
trick question.
That
No,
is a
it's a
trick
truck. That's a truck.
I have to order them. I order them under truck.
So we order the trucks under truck.
Okay, so final question.
SUV and truck.
So this is the final question of Truck Masters. Are y'all ready? Are these three your players? These are our players? Okay, here we go. Which dealer is the best in New Mexico?
Melloy.
Melloy in Los Lunas is the best. Good answer. So that was Truck Masters, and the winner is Ford? So the Ford store has won our Truck Master game. They won exciting prizes and a trip to Berlin. But join us next month where we'll be doing EV Masters coming up next.
They don't have time to cut.